Namaste children, I hope all are safe at your home. Today I am going to discuss you about our previous chapter lessons which we have learnt in our classes. So shall we go to our classes today? Yes. Now today I am going to start you the concept of place value. I am going to teach you about the place value. What is a place value? See, when we are writing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These all have only one place, and this has only this one, and this does not have any number beside it. So it represents only one unit, and this is nothing but now one's place. For example, now I am going to demonstrate you through this strips. So 1, if I have a 1, it is only 1. So only one unit is here. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are with different this constitutes only, and this does not have any side value. Once we group them together. Now see, I have grouped them together. This all constitutes as one group. In this one group, how many ones we have? 10 ones we will have. Once again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So if we have 10 units together, these all together 10 ones nothing but becomes 110. That is, now I have here one strip. In one strip how many ones I have? 10 ones I will have. Shall we count ones? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in one unit of tens we have 10 ones. This 10 ones is nothing but 110. So 10 ones is equal to how many tens? 110. If we have like that 2 tens, for example, if I have 2 tens, in each 10 I have 10 ones. Like that, if I have 2 tens, so 2 tens nothing but how many ones will be? 20 ones. So on. If it is 10 tens, how many it will be? It will again 100 ones. This 100 ones how can we write? As see here, like this I have brought to you. Here in each 10 into 10 ones. So 100 ones we have. In 100 ones, how many tens we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in 100 ones, but 10 tens. So nothing but 10 tens means how much now we got? 100 ones. That is 100 ones. Nothing but 100. Now we have introduced, we have learned about 100. Yes. Now this is in 100 blocks. How many ones we have? 100 ones. So if it is two squares, how many 100 ones we will have? 200 ones. Nothing but 200. 200 ones is nothing but 200. How can we write 200 like this now? 2 into 100. That is 200. Now I am going to show you through abacus. Now shall we form a number now? Yes. So shall I take a number now? First 1. In one's number I am taking example as 5. Here how many units of ones we have? 5 units of ones. See, here we have 5 units of ones. Now next moving to the next place. This is ones place. This is ones place. Now if I have like that, moving to the tens place, I am adding one more number to the, always place value will move from right side to the left side. The place value always increases from left side to the right side. The least number ones place will be always in the right side. The number increases towards the left side. So when I am adding, so for example, if I take a number 3, 3 will be in now which place? Tens place. So how many tens I need to have? 3 tens. How many tens I should have? 3 tens. See here. In each 10, how many ones I have? 10 ones. So now the number became 35. If I am going to moving to the next place value will increase to the hundreds. What is that? 100. So I have taken 2. So 200. Now here 2 hundreds means 200 blocks plus 30 plus 5. How can we? This is hundreds. This is tens. Now this is 10. Now together if I am joining the number, how we are going to spell this? 300 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5. So here we have 2 hundreds, 3 tens plus 5 ones. Nothing but how much the number is? 235. So we got a number of 3-digit number. In 3-digit number, how many places we have? 3 places we will have. One more time. Ones place. It is ones place. This is tens place. And this is hundreds place. How can we represent this number? Through abacus. So I am having 3 lines here. In first, in one, this is ones. This is tens. And this is hundreds. So first 5 ones. So I am going to give 5 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many circles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5. In tens place, what is the number here? 3. So I am representing here 3. 3 tens. So 3 hundreds. How many hundreds we have? 2 hundreds. Here I am representing 2 hundreds here. So total together now, what is the number now? 235. Okay. Now shall we write one more number by expanding taking an example? Now I took a number 422. How can we expand this number? Now this is a standard form. Now we are expanding this. How to expand this? First is, now while expansion we have to move from left side to the right side. So it is in which place? Hundreds place. So 4 into 100. How much it is? 400. Plus how many tens we have here? 2 tens. 2 tens is nothing but 20. How many ones we have? 1 1. See, 422. It is 2 ones, 2 tens and 4 hundreds. Did you get the children? So some more examples I will give to you. Will you expand and show to me? See, 363, 254, 896. How can we expand these all numbers? 3 is in which place now? Hundreds place. So 300 plus 6 is in which place? Tens place. Plus 60 plus 3 is in which place again? Ones place. So 363. How can we spell this? 363. Now for again 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. 200 plus 5 is in tens place. Plus 50 plus 4. Now once more. 800 plus 9 is tens place. 90 plus 6. So children, did you get this? So will you practice in your home? So I hope all will practice in your home, but stay in your home, stay safe.